How to digital signature in PDF with mobile. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And in today's video we will see how we can do a digital signature in PDF with mobile. So without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, you have to download an application that is Adobe Acrobat Reader. So you can simply download that application from the Play Store. Once you have installed the application, you can open it up. And once you open it up, you will be asked to log in with your account. You can log in with your Google account. After you're logged in, you will land in this home page. But before that, you have to perform various on-screen instructions while set up in this application with login. Now once you're on this home page, what you have to do is tap on the file option from the menu bar at the bottom of this interface. Then you have to choose a PDF file. If it's on your device, tap on this device and then choose a PDF file that you would like to add. For example, I have this PDF file right here. After that, again navigate to the menu bar at the bottom of this interface. There you will have a feature or menu that is Fill and Sign. Tap on it. Again navigate to your bottom right corner and there is a small pen icon that is basically the signature icon. Tap on it. Here it says Add Signature. Tap on it. After that, you will have this text box to sign your signature here. So all you have to do is sign your signature right here. And after you're done, tap on Done from the top right corner. Now in this PDF field, you have to tap in where you would like to add your signature. For example, I want to add my signature on this first page, so tap on it. Now there you go, you have the signature that you have signed in recently. If you would like to share or save it, tap on three dot icon from the top right corner and then you can export this PDF. So this is the way to do digital signature in PDF with mobile, and that's all for this video. Hope this video helped you, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.